Hello guys, my name is Tammy. I am a UI designer, and in this channel we're going to talk about UI design tips, tutorials, and everything you need to know about UI designing. I'll take you from step by step, from how to choose your color palette to typography to how to make a full website page. So let's start with me. So guys, please hit that like and subscribe button because it helps me a lot, and to see more videos on me, click the bell icon, the notification bell, so you can see more videos like this every time. So first of all, what we're going to do today is we're going to set up Figma on our computer. So if you're using a laptop or a desktop, it doesn't really matter. I will show you how to set up Figma as well as the various plugins you need for you to start your UI designing as a beginner. If you're a pro or you have some knowledge on UI designing, stick with us because you might see some plugins you haven't used before and might love to use them to make your work better. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, we're on our desktop screen. So first of all, we have to download Figma. So to do that, we can use any browser of your choice. You can use Microsoft Edge, I think, not software, sorry. Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, any browser of your choice. The browser, your favorite browser. So mine is Microsoft Edge. So I'm going to search here is Figma. You can see Figma, the collaboration interface design tool. Click on download. And here you can see desktop app. You click on, if you're using the macOS, you click on it. If you're using it for Windows, click desktop app for Windows. Click on it. So it's downloading. Not that big. So click on open file. Open file. Or you can just click here and it takes you to the location. And here it is Figma setup. You can launch. You cannot proceed because it was not found. Reinstall the program may fix this problem. Okay guys, you see this error that just popped up right now. If I click yes, what I did was I ran as administrator. So I clicked and now the Figma app is launching. So let's see if the error that popped up is still going to show. Okay, here you can see installation has failed. There was an error while installing the application. Please contact for more information and please contact. No, there was an error while installing the application. Check the setup log for more information and contact the author. So just click close, log in with browser. So I already have a Figma account, but if you don't have, you can go ahead and sign up for your Figma account, or you could just sign in with your Google account. I'm signing in with mine. Okay, my name, what kind of work I do design. So your project manager, software developer, marketing, user research, design. I agreed to join Figma mailing list, create account. They'll send you some stuff to your emails every day, I think. Open the desktop app. So click on always allow, click on open. So it's loading. You can see we have successfully, okay. Tell us about your theme. Do this later. Starts for free. So guys, click on start for free and I'm using a new Google account. Sorry for rushing. Go back. So here you can see whiteboard in FigJam. I've not really used FigJam, but later in the course we're gonna check it out. I don't really use FigJam for designing. What I use is design with Figma. So you click on what would you like to do first. You click on design with Figma. And here you can see things like layouts like iPhone 11 Pro desktop, material to design kits, UI design presentation templates, Lofi web frame kit, ISO 15 UI, ISO 15 UI kit for Figma. What I'm going to do first is just click on. Okay, I think we'll just leave this. So we'll click here. I'll get started on my own. Good. So here, as you can see, there are various Figma basics, wireframing in Figma, prototyping in Figma. You can go through this on your own free or fair time. The spare time, you can just go through all this and have a clearer view on it. So we're going to head into the community. So let's make this full screen. So we head into the community and we search. We just check here. So here we have plugins. So we click on the plugins. So powerful plugins made just for Figma. So here we have Figma designs, we have Figjam. But here are all the plugins that you'll need. A lot of plugins, like here we see you can have link card, vector field generation, sticker note. I advise you to install vector field generator or plugin. If you don't see it, you can just search it at the top. I use plugins like brand fetch. What this app does is that it helps you fetch any brand logo you're looking for. Makes it easy for you. Then we go to Iconify. Yeah, here it is. This is one of the logins. This is to help you get icons for your website, for your mobile phone design, whatever you're doing. Click on install. Yeah, we have that. So we're going to need one for photo. So just type photo if you, here. So here we can see photos, photo copier, fast photo paste, mini photo editor, photo to palette, icon 8, icon illustration / photos. So you're going to click on this, install this. You can just go through them, but I'll show you the major ones I use for mine. So I'm going to clear this out. I'm going to go back. Okay. Let's just scroll through through here quickly. Emoji generator. Sometimes you might want to engross an emoji into your design just to have that feeling. So we can just install. Okay, Figma Manager. So yeah, as long as Figma is added, you can install that also. There's some other plugins I would like you to install. I can't really remember the name. So I think one was pens. Let's see. Okay, it is here. So guys, these are the major plugins. You can see here plugins. Those plugins I just showed you are the major plugins you need for starting. But as we go on, we're going to find more plugins for us to use in our Figma design. So let's go back. Okay, so find your favorites fast. Find your favorites fast. Using a file or project every day, add it to your favorites for quick access. Just drag and drop it here or click the star. This is to add it to favorites. Click got it. So click on new design file. This is just to for test run. No thanks. Okay. So guys, this is how it looks like when you're about to start to design if you're a beginner. For those who have some knowledge on it, I'm sure you already know about this. Later on, my next video, I will give you a list of the plugins we'll need to start for our tutorials and for you to follow up on the study of being a better UI design. So if you want to use your plugins while designing, you go head over to this logo here, the Figma menu, you click on it. or the main menu, click on it, and here you can see plugins. So here you can see your plugins like brand fetch, emoji generator, Figma manager, iconify, icon 8, which also gives icon illustrations and photos, vector field generator for vectors. You can click on, let's check on brand fetch on it, and here you can see. So what it does is that if I search for a brand, let's say Facebook, enter, you can see here I have their symbol, their logo, and the icon. So I can just drag the icon if I'm, let's create a frame. So click here for frame, then you click frames. Let's choose an iPhone 13 Pro Max. So we just drag this here. Good. Assets can only be inserted inside shapes. Oh my god. Okay, let's make a shape. So click here, rectangle, drag, drop, pull. The next SVG file. Let's go for the symbol instead. I think this way better. Why are they all SVGs? Okay, it's here. It's here. Okay. So as you can see, the Facebook logo is here. So if you want to use it, you can just shrink it anyhow you like. Sorry, Ctrl Z. You have to hold Shift and you shrink it. So you can just put it wherever you like on your design. Let's say you want to add a Facebook logo so that you can add it on Facebook or something like that. So that's how you virtually do it. Let me just make this and put this here, shrink a little bit. Okay. Okay, that I shrink this down. I can go back here and brand fetch, and sorry, I closed it. We click on the main menu, we go to plugins, and we click on brand fetch. And here we can type, if let's say we want a YouTube logo for YouTube, and here we have the YouTube. So here's the symbol for the YouTube. You can tap or you can drag it. Any of them is your choice. So you can just shrink it how you like it and put it wherever you want, depending on you. Like this. So that's the work of virtually the work of brand fetch to help you fetch brands. So you don't need to actually go and search on the internet the logo Facebook logo and all that. It just gets the brand symbols. Especially fetch everything on the brand for you. Their logos, like you saw, their symbols, their icons. That's just what it does. So guys, that is that for this video. Please, if you liked it, like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see more videos from me. So thank you. I'll see you in my next video.